Doesn't say to do this, but I went ahead and cut it up into smaller pieces to make it easier to combine. Then you're going to need 2 packages of cream cheese. So I went ahead and let my cream cheese sit out for a little while so it would warm up and be easier to combine. Then we're adding 1.5 cups of sugar and 3 tablespoons of flour. Now using a hand mixer, we're going to mix this on medium speed until all the cheese and everything is well incorporated. Now we're going to add 4 eggs, and we're going to do this one at a time. So at this point, you should have a fluffy, luscious kind of cream filling. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Beat that all in really well, and then pour this into your cooled crust. Place this in a very hot 450-degree oven and bake this for 10 minutes, and then reduce the temperature down to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 1 hour. So almost immediately after I placed my cheesecake in the oven, I smelled a terrible, acrid, burning smell.
Luscious, luscious, luscious.